Hello, we are doing hair. I'm going to show you how to do your hair. So first, we take a brush.
Zoe, do your hair. Let me see you brush your hair on the camera.
Brush your hair like this, because it's good, it's so soft. It's a gun. And then first you use, I just do the video, okay?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Zoe, sit right here. You can see it. Oh, she wants to see it.
And I comb my hair after you do your brushing, you comb it. Like it's good for your comb. So you use it every day because my mom don't use it on my space. I'll tell you, I dropped it. So I only did is comb it. And I only comb it because I stop it. Because every time you do that, because you get hair sound. So just use a comb. This is my house. You can see it. But, so. And I love my brush because it's so soft and it gets your hair like straight. So you have a brush and a comb. You can use a different comb or different brush. Just use different things you want. So I just do it. We do it. So you need like this, and then you turn that around. Here. I can see. So I use the brush. You can use a different brush or this brush because it's so soft. It's so. You have a good day. Okay, that's so go over there. Flip it around.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. And then after you're done brushing your hair, you want to comb it again, or do a brush again. You can do your own way. And my little sister's right here. She can't see me a little bit because it hurts a little bit. I am Day. Please subscribe.